Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne as he expresses himself. Dwayne is stating that he's fighting a losing battle and he's trying his best to be different, but it's not happening for him. So Dwayne is going through an emotional breakdown right now because of the situation. So just take a look at the video and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
I seem to be losing. Like, I don't know what else to do. I genuinely don't know what else to do. I don't. It breaks my heart to see how God sees and knows my heart and knows I'm trying my absolute hardest, my absolute best to be a good person. Not just be a good person, but just genuinely embrace this positive journey, come what may. Hell or high water, I'm going to trod my own journey. You know? Everything I'm doing, everything I do, I feel like I'm losing at every angle. That's how I feel. This is too much for one person to bear. What else? I am strong, Sharon. I am strong because guess what? I've been getting fights at all angles. Everything I do is not enough. I have all of this followers and I'm lucky. I'm lucky if I get 200 of you guys on my live, and that's okay. I'm not complaining. I'm really not complaining. I'm not. Right? Give credit where credit is due. Give credit where credit is due. And no, I'm not here to have no pity party or for any of you or for any of you on my life to feel sorry for me. No, I don't. Thank you, Sharon. Thank you. I have some more left to pull out. Thank you. It breaks my heart, guys. It really breaks my heart. It does. It does. I'm only human. Listen, all of us have blood running through our veins. Every single one of you on the live right now. And I'm very sure none of you are machines. None of you. We all have blood running through our veins. Right? No matter what I say to people, when you guys see stuff people are saying about me, don't call me with it. Imagine I was here minding my own business. I've been up from morning. Listen, my hand is messed up. My whole right side is messed up. So things that you guys on the live, it would take you guys 5 or 10 minutes. It would take me 3 hours because of the functionality in my right side. I was here minding my own business, taking my precious little time to pull out my hair. And what happens? People calling with the damn noise again. It's like you guys don't want me to change. It's like you guys really want me to remain stagnant forever. Can I please grow in peace? I just want to grow at my own pace and do things at my own pace. Is that hard for you guys to understand? You know what I have a feeling a lot of you on my page are truly hypocrites. A lot of you who claim you are who claim you support me. You people are the hypocrites. A lot of hypocrisy happening across social media. Nothing I say, it seems to be resonating with you guys. How many times should I say, don't call me with the noise. Leave me be. If I don't hear it, it won't hurt me. If I'm not paying it any mind, it won't hurt me. All I'm trying to do is be a good person. That's all I'm trying to do. All I'm trying to do is to do positive things with my page. And nothing I do is good enough for you people. Nothing. Thank God I'm a strong individual, because to the level to which I've been getting chastised and torn down, thank the Lord I'm not suicidal. Thank the Lord those kind of thoughts don't go through my thank God. I'm very sure if others were going through what I'm going through, I'm very sure they perhaps would have done something crazy to themselves already. But thank God I am not of that character.
Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.